Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to do a quick introduction to how to set up a C++ project using CMake and Ninja. So let's get started. First of all, if you're in a Mac, I'd highly recommend you install Homebrew if it's not already installed. It's pretty simple. Just go to this website brew.sh, copy this link, and then paste it. Now I already have Homebrew installed, so I'm not going to install that. What this does is that it gives you a package manager for Mac OS, and if you're a dev, then you probably be able to install a lot of helpful tools using like a one-line command. Okay, cool. So setting up a C++ project. So let's get started. For this tutorial, let's say I'm gonna work on I'm gonna make a new directory. Let's call it Penguin. It's gonna be my project, and then let me open this in my text editor. Let's make simple file and main. That's nothing, then return hello. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it as main.cpp. And so how you would usually run this file is you'd go here and then you'd say something like go C++, compile this file, my output to be called Penguin, and run. So now you've got Penguin. If you run this, voila. So this is how you usually run a C++ thing, but it's only for like one file, right? So what if you're on multiple files? Then you have like a bunch of commands to this binary here, and then it's gonna be a whole big mess. So what we have is something called CMake. So what CMake is it's a build system for C++. Now you can use CMake with this other thing called Make to run this, but for this video we're going to use CMake and Ninja. I'm going to show you what CMake is in a moment. Right? So first thing, let's install CMake. So install CMake, you just do breathe install CMake, and you can enter. And I already have CMake installed, so let's see what's gonna happen here. So what CMake also is that it also is what they call a meta build system. So if you're running your project on Mac or say Visual Studio or any other Linux machine, you can use CMake to target your project to other build systems. And that's like the cool part about CMake and why I like CMake. Let me cancel this. So yeah, so let's go to this one. Yeah, so once you have CMake installed, what you can do is, let me go back to my text editor, make a file called cmake list.txt, and here you would write the CMake instructions. So I have this this extension that basically like autofills in some CMake commands. So if you go here, then I can say CMake minimum version, and then you can check your CMake version here. CMake test version 3.15, so I'd be on 3.15. Then I'd set up a name for my project, which in my case I'm naming it Penguin, and then I'd add executable, right? And I'd say, I want it to be named Penguin. I want you to compile main.cpp. Now how this works is, if you go back here in this directory, if you have CMake installed, all you do is you make a new directory called say build. Let's go to build. From there you say, I want to run CMake here. Where do I find my CMake.list file? Well, in the previous directory. And we have some things generated. This by default generates a make file. I can use make to actually build this, and then if you do ls, and then if I run Penguin, you can see that it builds this, right? But for this video, we're not going to use make. This is one of the build systems it supports. We're going to use something called Ninja. Ninja is a very good small build system It says they focus on speed. I find it really good. It's on all the major OS, Linux, Mac OS, Windows. So you'd install Ninja the same way. You'd do brew install Ninja, and then you'd run that. So I'll have Ninja installed if you wanna check. So I've been Ninja version 1.9.0 installed. And to make this project with Ninja, I would use, I'd say, so I'm in the build directory, I'd say I want to use CMake, then I want to use the Ninja build system, and then again back to my CMake list file. And there you go. Now we have like a build.ninja file. Look at it. It's got a bunch of instructions generated for Ninja. And then if you look at it, I can use the Ninja command to actually build this, right? So Ninja, and then if you do ls, I see there's my binary, and it works. Ninja keeps track of things you've like done. So if you make changes, or if you're not making changes, it's not going to build that. So so now this is for one file, like, but as our project grows, we'll have more files, more configs. So I'm going to show you another simple config that I usually do. So go here, let's make a directory, let's call this include, let's make another directory, and let's call this source. So inside include, I want to make a penguin class, and then let's see, class penguin, very simple class, public. I just want put it here. Simple class source. Let's make a source for this. I can't type. Okay, now let me just repeat this from here to here. Okay, and then we need to include penguin. See, just include the penguin headers. I don't specify path. We'll see soon how we can fix that. And then also include this right here. Okay, that's much better. This. Now if I go to main, I just wanna include let's make a new penguin p dot speak. So now what I can do in my CMake list is that I can add it as a library. So that's what I want to do. I want to add a library, and I'm going to call this core. So my core libraries for this project, and then I'm gonna include inside the include directory. I want the penguin dot p, and then I want source penguin dot cpp. What I also want to do is I also want to add the include directories, and I just say for this library, what the include directories. I want to say public, and this project source directory. From there, I just want to include the include one. And then after you add the executable, you just want to link the libraries, right? So you just say target link to libraries. You want to link it to this, and then you type in the name of your library. So once you have that set up, what you can do is let's say run this again, new build fast, then run Ninja, and then run penguin, and then it works. Ninja again, and so there you go. A few other things I'd make is that I do some changes here. to set. So there's certain things you can set. I want to make the CMake C++ standard to be C++14, and then I can set other flags you might be using. CMake CXX. Flags, and then you just want them to be, what do we have set up? Yeah, so there we go. What I also do is I would make a separate headers and sources. So I'd move this here, and you can add more headers like down here. And you can add say sources and have a separate one for sources. My headers here first. Not think the order matters, but yeah. So you do something like this, and this should work. And let's run it again. CMake class been written, penguin, and it works. So this should be good for like your small project that you're working on C++. If you're looking for some cross-platform build system, I think CMake and Ninja are a pretty good combination. Next time I'll probably show you how to add Google tests to your test cases, to write unit tests, and how to include that in the CMake file. So thank you.